So here is the parts that came. There's the top shelf, the bottom shelf, each side right there. However, we have a left side of this shelf and another left side. They are supposed to connect together like this, right here. See, there's supposed to be holes. This one's supposed to be skinnier and slide in here. They're the same side. If I flip them around, first of all, it won't fit. And these are facing upwards and this is bent down. Good times.
Just put together my new shelf. Super easy, only took about 10 minutes, and it holds all of my power tools and batteries. It's a great product, super sturdy.